Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the PDF Viewer Odoo module developed by Openinside. This module allows you to have a quick and easy view of PDF documents. The PDF Viewer module in Odoo is designed to provide a convenient and familiar way to view PDF documents within the Odoo applications. The PDF Viewer module in Odoo is a tool that simplifies the process of viewing PDF documents within Odoo applications, making it convenient and familiar for users by mirroring the experience of a typical browser-based PDF viewer. It highly resembles the PDF viewer of your browser. Let's get started with our demo. First, enter one of the modules from the app drawer. For example, we will choose the Committee module. Then, enter the meeting that contains the document you want to print. As you can see, there is a Smart button at the right corner of the form named the report. Click the Smart button. Then the document will be viewed. This module is developed to allow you to view the document on the system directly instead of using an external browser or print view. And there you have it. You've reached the end of our tutorial on the PDF Viewer module developed by Openinside. We hope this video has given you an easy guidance on how to use this tool. If you enjoyed this video and want to explore more of Openinside's Odoo module tutorials, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you, and see you in our next video.